Okay, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate to the Misys engineer the workflow capability that we've sort of worked around the Misys EMR system to give workflow capacity to the system. Let's take a test patient here, and this is the patient's chart open. We're going to go to the chart note entry area and select a template. And we'll select one for a procedure. The first thing we have to do is separate this template from other templates that are used to record patient data from a given instance of information capture, because we want to capture information across a whole series of steps across time. So what we've done is created some bogus locations so that when we search the database for these templates, we can separate them off from other things that are more static. So I'll accept that location. It generates the template. And populates the template with certain information related to procedures. Some things that change over time with this system. Here's a glossary option, and the scheduling priority might be urgent at the time that this template is first entered, but across time it might change to a different status. Prioritization in relation to other procedures. This would be first priority here. Request origination is pretty standard kind of information to record on a template. There's a follow-up plan. The status and authorization number are part of something that needs to be completed before things move forward. Here, this authorization tracking folder here, these notes are added over time. So let's say the authorizations person gets some information about the status of the authorization. They'll make a note and add a date and time stamp. They may close this template and may be closed for a number of days or weeks, what have you, and then they'll open it up again once they get more information. They'll see what the previous note was and make another note related to pertinent information, date and time stamp it. So they'll go to the point where their part is finished. Now when a person saves one of these templates, one thing that we've created is rather than attaching these templates to a given user, we've created EMR users that really represent groups of users. So here you see authorizations, clinic scheduling, MedPsych. So these are users in EMR, but we use those users to create work lists that multiple people might access. So let's say authorization was finished and we needed to put this on the OR scheduling work list. And we've tailored the work list steps so that they also track a state of the process. So let's say we had called the patient, left a message, and what was the constraint on this process moving forward was waiting for the patient's response. We put that there. This way we can search the database and know what we're waiting on patients for, what we're waiting on something. Here's IPCA dependent constraint, something that is that that we're causing the bottleneck for, so we can kind of track what's in the pipeline and who's responsible for getting things moving when we go to the work list function. I'm just going to cancel here. So once the authorizations person has passed it off to, let's say, the OR scheduler, there is another area here for the OR scheduler to make their notes, date and time stamp, and then when they're finally finished with this whole thing, the procedure scheduled, they can mark it as scheduled, close it to history. But this is the function that we hope Allscripts Professional EMR will allow us to carry across if we migrate to from Misys EMR to Allscripts Professional EMR. And I think I'll stop there. I hope that's clear. Thanks.